Hello, welcome to Exam Study. My name is Shailesh Sharma and I will be providing you the videos for your general studies so that it would help you in your preparation of your competitive examinations. So in that series, today I had come with ASEAN. So first of all, we should know what is ASEAN. ASEAN is the group of countries of Association of Southeast Asian Nations. India, remember, it is not a member of ASEAN. However, it has a status of observer country in ASEAN. So, ASEAN is Association of Southeastern Asian Nations that comprises of 10 countries. How many countries in ASEAN are? 10 countries are in ASEAN, and the basic objective of the ASEAN is to promote intergovernmental cooperation and facilitate economic, political, security, military, educational, and socio-cultural integration. Why I am reading all the words? Because sometimes it can happen that it may ask you about the word which of these uh, included in the objective of ASEAN. So political, security, military, educational, socio-cultural integration are mentioned there. So basic objective is to maintain these with the member countries as well as the other countries of Asian continent. Now we will be studying about the motto, anthem, secretariat, and what is the official language of Asian countries. See, the motto is one vision, one identity, and one community. This is the motto of ASEAN. Anthem is the Asian way. Secretariat is in Jakarta. Jakarta is in Indonesia. Official language is English. As I'd made a video on United Nations. The United Nations has several official languages. Five were there, six languages were there, but in ASEAN only English is the official language. Now we will be studying which are the members of ASEAN. To remember, it's BPL, TV, MIM, and CS. And for BPL, it's Brunei, Philippines, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Singapore. These are the 10 member countries in ASEAN. Now we will be studying about how several countries joined ASEAN, because in the beginning there was only 3 to 5 countries who were the founding member of ASEAN. Other 5 countries joined it later on. So we will be studying about that one. Before ASEAN, see, ASEAN was not a new concept, because if we there was an organization that was working on the cooperation between the countries of Southeast Asia, and that was the Association of Southeast Asia, formed on July 31, 1961. That group consists of Thailand, Philippines, and the Federation of Malaya, which later on known as Malaysia. So before that, it was Association of Southeast Asia, formed on July 31, 1961, comprises of Thailand, Philippines, and Federation of Malaya. ASEAN was created on August 8, 1967, when the foreign minister of 5 countries. So how many founding members were there? 5 founding members were there. Foreign minister of 5 countries signed the ASEAN declaration, and those 5 countries were Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. IMPST. Or you can STIMP. Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines. STIMP is the trick to remember who were the founding members of ASEAN. After that, five other countries join ASEAN later on, and this you have to learn the chronological order, in the chronological order, because you can be asked in the examination to arrange the countries in the order when they join ASEAN. So these, after these five member countries, Brunei was the sixth member to join ASEAN. Remember, Brunei was the sixth member. In July 1905, Vietnam joined as the seventh member, then Laos and Myanmar and BVLMC. This is the trick to, right. I cannot change the order because this is the order in which they join ASEAN. So Brunei, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar and Cambodia was the latest country who joined the ASEAN group of countries in 1999. Cambodia joined on 30 April 1999. Now we will be seeing all these member countries on the world map. This is India. This is Myanmar. Laos. This is Thailand. See, Laos is not a coastal country, it is a landlocked country that is surrounded by Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia and Myanmar in the western side. So these are the countries, and after that join Malaysia, Singapore. Here is the Sumatra was the part of Indonesia. This is Brunei. This is in mainland of Indonesia. So these are the member countries of ASEAN group of countries. India is not a member country of ASEAN, it is an observer there. So these are the information regarding ASEAN. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.